All right, solve the simultaneous equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 17. Y is equal to x minus 3. When you're asked to solve an equation like this, we are supposed to just find the value of x and the value of y. And this is a simultaneous quadratic simultaneous equation. All right, to do that, you already know that from equation 2, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 2, y is equal to x minus 3. So we simply use substitution method so that when you see y in equation 1, you substitute x minus 3 there. Anywhere you see y, you put x minus 3 because y is equal to x minus 3. So when you come to equation 1, x squared plus, instead of y squared, it's going to be x minus 3 squared is equals to 17. Why? Because y is equal to x minus 3. So when you see y, you won't put y, you put x minus 3. That's what it means by substituting x minus 3 for y in equation. Doing that, you know that x minus 3 squared is x minus 3 times x minus 3. So when you expand it, x times x is x squared. X times minus 3 minus 3x minus 3 times x minus 3x minus 3 times minus 3 plus 9. Okay, so that gives you x squared minus 3x minus 3x gives you minus 6x plus 9. So you put this value into this, you're going to be having x squared plus x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equals to 17. Are we there? So x squared plus x squared gives you 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equals to 17. All right, to make this a quadratic equation proper, you bring 17 to this side so that it will equal to 0. So you have 2x squared minus 6x plus 9. We are taking plus 17 to the other side. It becomes minus 17 is equal to 0. All right, so that gives you 2x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 17. That gives us minus 8 equals to 0. This gives you a quadratic equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the general quadratic formula, right? So in this, you can say your a is 2, our b is minus 6, and our c is minus 8. All right. So using the quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Right? Because we can solve quadratic equation using 4 methods. You can decide to use the formula method. You can decide to use the completing the square method. You can decide to use the factorization method, and you can decide to use the graphical method. So for this, let's use the formula method. Using the formula method, we just have x is equal to minus b is minus 6 because b is minus 6. So don't forget minus b. B is minus 6. So minus stand, then minus 6 plus or minus square root of b squared minus 6 squared minus 4 times a 2 plus a is 2 times c times minus 8. All right, all over 2 times 2, that's 2a. Are we together? All right, so if you are together, kindly give it a thumb up right there. X is equal to minus times minus gives us 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times 2 is 8. That's minus 8. Minus 8 times minus 8, that's plus 64 over 2a. 2 times 2 is 4. All right, so now the next step is x is equals to what? 6 plus or minus square root of 36 plus 64. That's 100 over 4. Right? So that leads us to x is equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 100 is 10 over 4. So x is equals to 6 plus 10 over 4 or 6 minus 10 over 4. Right? So x is 16 over 4 or minus 4 over 4. So x is equals to 4 here 1, 4 here 4, 4 or minus 1. So x is either 4 or minus 1. That's the final answer. That's the solution. That's the value of x. Now, we're supposed to look for y. From equation 2, we know that y is equals to x minus 3. So it therefore means that y is equals to 4 minus 3 or minus 1 minus 3, right? So because x is 4 or minus 1. So it then means that y is equals to 4 minus 3, 1 or minus 4. So x is equal to 4 or minus 1. Y is equals to 1 or minus 4. That is interesting. So x is equals to 4 or minus 1. Y is equals to 1 or minus 4. And that is the answer to this quadratic simultaneous equation. I think that is very, very simple. I want you to solve this equation using completing the square method and see if we arrive at the same solution. And if you want me to do a class solving it using completing the square method, kindly leave that in the comment. Just say, using completing the square method, please solve this question again. Write it in the comment section. And if I get 5 comments that say that, I'm definitely going to do that video for you guys. All right. Thank you for staying up to now, and I hope this is beneficial and you've learned something from this simple question. I'm going to see you in another class. Have a great time. Take care. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and tag someone that this will be helpful to. If you're a parent seeing this, share with your children. If you're a student, share with your colleagues. And uncle, share with your niece, your nephew, everyone that will be of benefit to, let's for together help them to achieve the success. And thank you.